Number 19, tumira ng tres. No good. Nariba ni jersey number 12. Nakuha ni jersey number 25. To jersey number 7. Number 7 sa ilalim. 2 points, jersey number 27. Long pass to jersey number 16. Number 16. Pass to jersey number 12. Out of bounds. Jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 37. To jersey number 7. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound in jersey number 16. To jersey number 29. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. Jersey number 16 to jersey number 12. Player out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 39 seconds for the third quarter. Nakuha ni jersey number 16 to jersey number 12. Number 12. Tumama dali. Number 12. 2 points, jersey number 12. Time remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds. Jersey number 7. Close up. No good. Nariban ni jersey number 1. Jersey number 0. To jersey number 12. Last 1 minute, seconds to play, 15 to shoot. Last 55 seconds. 10 to shoot. And 1. Who's going for jersey number 7? Second personal foul, 13 foul. Time remaining 51 seconds for the third quarter. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Time remaining 45 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Last 35 seconds. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Time remaining 30 seconds. No good. Basket count. Jersey number 12. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Last 10. Last 5.